Welcome to Review Lab. The best color bleed remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with stained fabrics, whether it's a favorite shirt that accidentally met a red sock in the wash or a delicate piece of upholstery that's seen better days. This product promises to restore your items to their former glory, tackling those unsightly color transfers that can ruin otherwise perfect garments and textiles. We'll dive deep into how these removers work, what makes a good one stand out, and ultimately, which one deserves a spot in your laundry room or cleaning arsenal to save your precious belongings from permanent discoloration. Number 5. Shout Color Catcher Sheets. Tired of colors bleeding in your laundry? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes looking their best. Keep your laundry vibrant and worry-free. These innovative sheets are designed to trap loose dyes in the wash. This means your whites stay white and your colors stay bright, wash after wash. Simply toss one sheet into your washing machine with your load. You can now mix colors and whites with confidence, saving you time and effort. Our advanced technology works to absorb and contain dyes as they are released. This prevents them from transferring onto other garments in the same load. Each pack contains 72 sheets, providing excellent value for your laundry needs. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your clothes are protected. Experience the difference that Shout Color Catcher sheets can make. Keep your favorite clothes looking like new for longer. What we like? This product is designed to keep your clothes looking their best. It prevents colors from bleeding into each other, maintaining the original vibrancy of your garments. If you often do mixed color loads or want to simplify your laundry routine, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is effective in removing color bleed. It works well on various types of fabrics. The formula is gentle and does not damage the material. Number 4. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater, 4 ounces, 2-pack. Introducing a powerful solution for life's little messes. This laundry stain remover is designed to tackle even the most stubborn spots. As a must-have for your newborn essentials, it's perfect for cleaning up after messy mealtimes. Keep your baby's clothes fresh and clean. It doesn't just stop at food stains. This versatile cleaner effectively removes grease, coffee, and other common spills from various fabrics. You can confidently use it on laundry, underwear, and other fabric items. It's a reliable choice for keeping your fabrics looking their best. Get more value with this convenient 2-pack. Ensure you always have this essential stain treater on hand when you need it most. What we like? When it comes to stubborn messes, this stain treater is your go-to. It's formulated to be safe for even the most delicate skin, making it perfect for baby clothes. If you're dealing with food stains, grease, or other tough messes on fabrics, this is the product for you. What people say. The color bleed removal works really well on my white shirts, removing even stubborn stains. I was impressed by how quickly the product acted, lifting the color bleed within minutes. The formula is gentle on fabrics, and I didn't notice any damage to the material after use. Number 3. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover Power Paks. Tired of dingy whites? Introducing a revolutionary way to bring back the brilliance to your laundry. These power packs are designed to revive your fabrics. Don't let stains win. Our advanced formula tackles tough stains, restoring your clothes to their former glory. It's a powerful stain remover that works wonders. Experience the power of oxygen for a brighter clean. This innovative whitening technology lifts away dullness and discoloration. Get ready for noticeably whiter clothes. Worried about harsh chemicals? This bleach alternative is color safe, protecting your garments while delivering exceptional whitening results. It's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. Simplify your laundry routine with these convenient power packs. Just toss one in with your load for 40% better whitening. Enjoy brighter, whiter clothes with ease. Get the ultimate whitening and stain-fighting power with OxiClean White Revive. It's the perfect solution for keeping your whites looking their best, load after load. What we like? Revive your whites with this powerful laundry solution. It not only removes tough stains but also brightens dingy whites, making them look like new. If you're looking for a bleach alternative that's safe for colors and effectively tackles yellowing or graying, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product effectively removes color bleed from fabrics, restoring the original look of garments. The formula is gentle on most fabric types, preventing damage while tackling stubborn color stains. Easy to use application process, simply apply and wash as usual for noticeable results. Number 2. Tide Laundry Stain Remover Spray with Oxy, 2-pack. Introducing Tide Laundry Stain Remover Spray with Oxy. This powerful formula is designed to lift even the most stubborn stains from your fabrics. It's not just for clothes. Use it on carpets, upholstery, and even pet bedding. This spray handles a wide variety of messes with ease. Wine, coffee, grease, no problem. This stain treater spray is specifically formulated to break down and remove these tough marks. Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 2. Keep one handy wherever stains might happen. Harnessing the power of Oxy technology, it penetrates deep to lift stains without damaging your belongings. Restore the freshness and cleanliness of your items. This spray leaves them looking and smelling great. What we like. For those everyday spills and tough stains, this spray is a lifesaver. Its powerful formula works on a variety of fabrics and surfaces, including clothes, carpets, and upholstery. If you need a versatile stain remover for wine, coffee, grease, or pet messes, this is the product to have on hand. What people say. This product is amazing and it works wonders on my color bleed. I was skeptical at first, but this product really delivered on its promise to remove color bleed. Number 1. Carbona Color Grabber 3-pack. Tired of colors bleeding in the wash? These sheets are designed to trap loose dyes, protecting your clothes from transfer and keeping them looking vibrant. Wash with confidence, knowing your favorite items will stay fresh. Dull whites and dingy colors are a thing of the past. These sheets help prevent graying by capturing loose dye and grime, keeping your wash water cleaner. Enjoy brighter whites and colors that look revived with every wash. Made with gentle, plant-based fibers, these sheets offer an easy way to care for your laundry. They work effectively without any messy liquids or complicated steps. Keep your fabrics looking their best, whether at home or on the go. Washing new colored clothes separately can be a hassle. Now you can wash colors and whites together without worry. For larger loads, simply use a few sheets to ensure maximum dye absorption and protect your laundry. Save time and energy on laundry day. These sheets prevent dye transfer, so you can wash different colors together and avoid unexpected color mishaps. Keep your clothes looking brighter and newer for longer. Experience the smart way to tackle laundry challenges. These products offer effective solutions for common laundry problems, helping you achieve great results with confidence. Keep your laundry looking its absolute best. What we like. Stop worrying about color runs and graying with these innovative sheets. They actively trap loose dyes and grime, keeping your wash water cleaner and your colors brighter. If you frequently wash mixed loads, want to prevent whites from looking dull, or prefer plant-based solutions, this is the ideal choice for maintaining your laundry's true hues. What people say. The color bleed removal works great on my white shirts. It removed the color bleed from my daughter's favorite shirt. I was able to save a shirt that had color bleed from the wash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.